Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. Today you will be seeing two varieties of paintings in my video. One is wet on wet chrysanthemum and the other one is blade painting. Children, kindly don't try this blade painting art. This chrysanthemum wet on wet is after wet on wet. I'm doing one stroke with round brush and I have taken crimson and the other colors which I have shown you in this video. If you are doing wet on cloth, then use medium number 1 instead of water and then do these strokes after wet on cloth. You can take round brush number 8 or 6 for this flower. I take order works and teach online professional courses. Those interested can contact me. My details are in this video and below this video. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oragata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. Tanjore on fabric, and there are advanced and basic courses. Basic courses, few are starting from 1000 onwards. For online, I take online and offline classes. In the description below this video, you can find my website link. Do see my website for my artworks, varieties of artworks and then the different courses. It is in detail in my website. There are paintings for sale too. I have freehand painting course book with notes and techniques. Those interested can buy. It is of 65 pages in black and white, and there is anatomy of flower and detail of how to do, and you can see my videos and follow them. This freehand painting of chrysanthemum wet on wet will be very beautiful on dresses, sarees and tops, and you can see my details and contact me for online professional courses, classes. Now you will be seeing my second painting video, the blade painting of face and flower. I have taken colors on the tile and then I am doing this painting with the blade. Children, kindly don't try this art. Whatever colors you need, you can take on the tile. You can draw the design before doing blade painting with pencil, and then you can take the colors with blade and do the painting. You can do this painting on the canvas and then you can frame it and make a home decor. Do see my website link in the description below this video, as there are many artworks and tutorials and good information in my website link. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and art techniques. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.